Ever wonder why some people seem to make every moment matter, while others just drift through their days? It's not about having more time. It's about using the time you have with intention. In this video, we're diving into how to make each day count by turning ordinary routines into opportunities for growth and meaning. Stick around, and you'll see how even the smallest tasks can become powerful tools for a more purposeful life. The way you begin your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Instead of rushing through your morning, take a moment to be present. It could be as simple as sitting quietly with your coffee or tea, reflecting on your goals, or practicing gratitude. Starting the day mindfully helps you frame your day with purpose, rather than letting it unfold aimlessly. Research shows that a mindful morning can lead to better focus, increased productivity, and a deeper sense of fulfillment. It's not about adding more to your morning routine. It's about making what you already do more meaningful. Daily routines can feel monotonous, but they don't have to. Instead of treating chores and everyday tasks as dull obligations, see them as opportunities to practice focus and excellence. Whether it's preparing a meal, organizing your workspace, or taking a walk, put your full attention into what you're doing. This isn't about perfection. It's about being fully engaged. When you give your best to even the smallest activities, you build a habit of excellence that can spill over into every part of your life. One of the keys to making every day count is prioritizing what's most important to you. Identify your core values, whether it's personal growth, health, relationships, or creativity, and make sure you're dedicating time to them. Create non-negotiable time blocks in your schedule for these priorities. This could mean setting aside 30 minutes for exercise, dedicating an hour to a passion project, or simply making time for family without distractions. When your daily routine aligns with your values, each day feels purposeful, no matter how simple it might seem. Often, we overlook small achievements because we're focused on the big picture. But celebrating small wins can turn an ordinary day into a fulfilling one. Keep a journal where you note down even the tiniest successes, a task completed, a kind gesture, or a moment of learning. These small wins create a sense of momentum, reminding you that progress is happening, even if it's not always obvious. This practice shifts your mindset from what's missing to what you're accomplishing, fostering a more positive and engaged outlook on life. Just as a mindful morning can set the tone, a reflective evening can bring closure and clarity to your day. Take a few minutes to evaluate what went well, what didn't, and what you learned. Reflecting on your day can help you identify patterns, making it easier to improve over time. Practicing gratitude in the evening, whether it's through a journal or simply in your thoughts, lets you end each day on a positive note, no matter how chaotic it may have been. This habit not only helps you unwind, but also prepares you for a better tomorrow. Making every day count isn't about having a perfect schedule or squeezing productivity out of every minute. It's about finding purpose in the routine, enjoying the little things, and aligning your daily actions with what truly matters to you. Each day is a chance to grow, learn, and move closer to the life you want. Thanks for watching, and remember, make today matter. See you in the next one. I'm out.